Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. I hope you guys enjoy your time off. This is my first video of the year. Happy 2020. I pray that this new decade for us will be a decade of blessing, will be a decade of peace, will be a solid foundation that will continue to build on as we live on this earth. This video is all about me using this conditioner bar on my hair. I made this conditioner bar in December. I did made a bunch of them. I have a video one day. I think I'm going to be posting it right after this video. It's going to be posted the same day of this video. It's targeted on everything that 4C hair like, especially my hair. I based this recipe on my hair. I've used this conditioner now twice already. Without much ado, I am going to show you how to use it, just in case you make it or you buy one in a store and you're wondering how do you use conditioner bar. This is how you use it. Spray some water in my hair. Spray some water on it and kind of rub some of it on my hair and have some like so, and then I run it for our natural hair. A lot more water is needed to be added to our hair compared to other type of hair. I've used Lush products. At first I was kind of like, whoa, what am I doing with that? But now I understand. For me, this conditioner, it's one of the one that is way easier for me to manage. This is one of the best DIY when it comes to conditioner because the preservation, it's easier. And then if you have to travel, you really don't have to worry about TSA and stuff like that because it's in a bar form and you don't have to worry about bottle. I dig the idea of this conditioner. I need to continue to perfect it and come up with different type of this kind of conditioner because I really like it. It's easier for my life. Yeah. I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back so you can see what it looks like. So it's been 10 minutes, so I want you to see what my hair look like. I am going to go rinse my hair now. After I rinse the conditioner out of my hair, I'll be using both fermented rice water and fenugreek sprays on my hair. I spray the rice water first. I let it sit on my hair for like 5 minutes, rinse it out, and lightly pat my hair dry and spray the fenugreek sprays. That pretty much ends my wash day routine. I'm done rinsing the conditioner out of my hair, and I use the fermented rice water, and I use the fenugreek seed with hibiscus flower. I'm gonna be uploading a video on how I made my fenugreek seed sprays. Because I use the hibiscus flower, if you bleach your hair, you gotta be careful about that because it will change the color of your hair temporarily. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Happy New Year to everybody again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.